Hey Curvy, how's it going? So, did it I stepped away, but did it do that thing again where it flipped no signal? It developed this problem, I don't know. Maybe I don't know, it might even be a year now. But it developed this weird thing where usually just when it gets like a few minutes after it's turned on, it does this thing where in and out again. Yeah, it does this thing where um a, short, a few minutes usually after it's turned on, it'll come on and then go back out. And uh, it only usually happens like maybe two times in the first few minutes that it's on, and then it seems fine after that. Um, I'm thinking maybe something is going bad in it because it has gotten a little bit worse and a little weirder about it. Um, but yeah, I don't know. It's weird. I just hope it finds a way to hold itself together. Um, and I've tried like keeping it powered on for a while, and that seems to kind of solve it. Usually I get everything started up, I don't know, 10 minutes or so before I ever even start the stream, and I think that usually allows it to kind of get its weirdness out, but it doesn't always work. And a few times I've had it do this. Um, oh, I need to lower this too. Uh, I've had it do this a few times, like well into running. Hey, Carson, how's it going? Are you coming on to join us? And Caleb, how are you? How was everyone's Christmas? Excellent. Ah, there you are. Hey, perfect. Um, let's see. Kirby had a good Christmas. Yay. Caleb. Technically, I'm on auto, so I don't entirely know which server I'm on from time to time, but generally speaking, it should be US West Coast. What is your name? Let's see. Also, what was I going to say? Oh, is this... Am I going crazy, or is the star next to the name new? Did they have that before? I really don't remember it. Okay, you're busy, Narwhal? It's stuck on joining for mine? Well, that's weird. Well, you wouldn't be able to ready up yet anyway because I still haven't picked a game mode, but... Duh. And there goes the capture card doing its thing again. Okay, I did send the invite. Okay, and... Yep, that's what I figured. Yeah, it won't let you ready up until there's a show picked, I believe. Uh, Caleb, it's not letting you. I don't know why. Why does I feel like this is a... Oh, weird. When I selected the show, the character readied up. Or loaded. That's strange. Okay, Caleb restarting. So, we'll give that just a minute and then it should be sorted. Alright, anyway. So, in the meantime, I have a package coming from FedEx. I hate FedEx. FedEx has given me good reasons to hate FedEx. FedEx, so this package was shipped a couple of days ago. I believe it's 2-day shipping. And according to them, the initial delivery date, like the expected delivery date, was supposed to be on Tuesday, the 2nd. And I kind of get why it wouldn't be Monday, the 1st, because that's New Year's Day. So, okay, FedEx, I guess, doesn't deliver on New Year's Day. Fine. No issue there. But then they said that they were going to have... it said they were going to deliver early. And early was supposed to be today. They have... everything kept saying it's going to deliver today, by end of day. So far, they have still not stopped... Well, they have kind of stopped saying that. They now say that no delivery date is planned, which is problematic. But yeah, for whatever reason, well, okay, one of the issues, FedEx almost never does Saturday deliveries here. It has happened, but it really just doesn't. It doesn't. Like, it's so rare. But I'm now sitting here. I have stuff kind of set up a certain way to when I'm expecting deliveries. Caleb, I don't know what's wrong, man. I don't know. Let's do a run just in duos and we'll see what happens. Maybe once I'm actually playing the game, maybe it'll work with you. But yeah, I don't know. Or who knows, maybe it won't even let me into a game. Carson, you fixed your trigger. Oh, weird. What? Well, I see why you wanted to say it's not your pick. This is really not a good picture. Or rather, it's lit terribly. But weird. Okay. So after I finish this, I'll send an invite to Caleb and see if he can get in. Yeah, so anyway, obnoxiously, I'm waiting for a package from FedEx that, frankly, I think is almost guaranteed not to come today, but it technically could, which is so irritating. This company just continues to disappoint in every conceivable way. place. We've got second and third. Alright. Let's try... And perhaps, if this doesn't work, maybe Caleb should send a join request to me. I don't think that's going to make much of a difference, but maybe. You never know. It's these... The way these servers are built, it's just so... It's so wonky. Or the code. Something. I don't know. But something is really wonky with them. I love getting started back one. So much fun. What? Okay, good. You're in. I kind of got cheated on that level. Anyway. Yeah, so. Let's see. Oh, and the package coming is from Moment. In theory, well, I don't know actually what's going to be in it. They haven't told me, but in theory, it's some of the lenses I'm supposed to review. I'm hoping. Which, man, I really wish they had sent those like 3 months ago that they were supposed to. Because, man, it has just been rainy and bleak and overcast to like, it is just gray outside. Like the color outside is gray. How did that guy get ahead of me by that much? He was running right next to me, behind me, and then all of a sudden he just raced up ahead. That was messed up. Something was wrong there. Carson, why are you running the middle? Boo. Yeah, Carson, never go up the middle on that one. It is, it's bad. The middle is just begging to get knocked out. Rocky, are you playing costumes? What does that mean? Also, she eat guacamole in a coma? What dude, are you like having an episode? Wait, and Caleb, you said it's working? I do not see you in here. Okay, trying again. Rocky, what do you mean by are you playing costumes? That doesn't make sense to me. Like, yeah, what does it mean? Carson, oh, you were having bad luck on the side? Okay. I'll trust you. You can now see all of the users' comments on a channel now in live chat. Oh, Rocky, customs. Sorry, I thought you had asked costumes again. No, we're not doing customs right now. Let's see. Caleb, because it's back to not working. Yeah, dude, sorry, I don't know what's going on. Ah, okay, there we go. We'll start the squads game before it goes haywire. 3 dots on a comment, channel activity. Huh, okay. Shocking. Cannot see that from the admin interface. Love that. Love that. The admin interface gets less features than... Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens if I go to... oh, hey, that reminds me. I never sent the Discord ping. Doing that real quick, and then I will take a look at my channel and see what you're talking about. Man, people just have hit me like every second on that, in that section. I just kept getting knocked over by other people. Okay. Let's see. Okay, 3 dot channel activity. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is really nice. That is so much better. Kind of weird that it doesn't show dates next to this stuff. I wish it would show dates on like when the stream happened or anything, that would be a lot better. But hey, that's not bad. Yeah, they need to add this stuff to the admin interface. And honestly, what I need to do, or not need to, but someday what I'd like to do is just build my own. I've talked about it before. I do not like the admin interface at all. It is so janky. It is so bad. I could build something so much better than this. Frankly, I could even build something better than this in HTML. Like, build a decent web interface, and it would just be better. This is a mess. Hey, David, how's it going? Are you joining us? And let's see, Rocky asking more if we can do customs. Dude, probably not. Generally, customs, well, customs have a couple of problems with them. Ooh, our noob is not good. Or rando, rather. I can't tell if this guy's trolling or... I think it's just a kid who doesn't know how to play, but kind of get a weird feeling of trolling out of this kid. Anyway, so Rocky, look, the reason I generally don't do customs is, for one, they don't give you anything. Oh, come on. My capture card is on the fritz. But yeah, they generally don't do, or not generally, but if you're playing custom maps, they don't give you anything. Like, there's no XP out of it. You don't get any rewards, so, you know, it kind of sucks to do them. But also, they, a lot of the people who make custom maps are, like, this has become a method of trolling. All they want to do is, like, hop on and, like, get people to play a map that, like, can't be finished, or, damn it, somebody held, or someone pushed me just over enough, and it got me knocked out. That was BS. And our rando also got knocked out right away, so we are probably screwed. Love this. Useless rando. And David, were you joining us? Yeah, we're 20 points behind, so we're a consistent 20 points behind, though. So if either... Oh, no, we're catching up, I think. Yeah, we have just enough time. If you guys both stay in, I think we end up getting through this. Yep, we're almost back into qualifying territory. Yay. David, it's a pass? Okay. And so, Zeta? Carson, you managed to grease someone? Lucky. Zeta, what name do you go by? I don't know if we've friended before, but let me know what name you go by and I can send an invite. Carson, you remembered that? Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, good. Our rando will be so much not helpful here. Whoa, what the? Ah! I couldn't get over to... Okay, I'm scoring points over here. Why is... Damn it. Okay, can anyone else on the... What is going on here, guys? Okay. Okay, that rando, I'm straight up reporting. I wish I had his name. Cause, dude, he was straight up trolling us. He wasn't just bad, he was actually trying to lose that. I should have just stopped when I noticed he was doing that. Because he started intentionally trying to knock it into other places. Okay, Zeta. Invite sent. Zaida? Zeta? I don't know. Okay. That's one thing we need from that Overwatch had. The ability to look at people that you just recently had on your team. We need to be able to like go back and report somebody using that method. Zeta, go ahead and ready up. Oh, so yeah. Let's see. The current Fame Pass ends, I think, I want to say January 9th. If I could have that wrong, but I think that's when it is. They need to roll out the double XP soon. because I did a decent job of getting through the first few levels quickly, but man, it is going to take a while to get to 160, and I'd like to think I'm actually going to get there. Oh, I knew I timed that wrong. Ah, dude. I hate trolls that do that stupid stuff. What the? Why are people being... Like, do they... sometimes I wonder if people have not played this level before and they just truly do not understand how it works. Alright, excellent. We almost guaranteed will hold first, I think. As long as that second place team doesn't have one more person, I'd say we're locked in for first. Hey, Kill-U-Terra, how's it going? How is your weekend turning out? Let's see, did I forget anything else? Sorry, I'm just scrolling up. Curvy gonna get the Powerball ticket soon. Yeah, I still can't. I cannot do lotteries. So much do not have good enough luck for lottery. Huh. You're at a hotel in Charlotte, North Carolina. As a last second vacation. Huh. Okay. Is it going well? I've never been to North Carolina, so no concept of what it's like there. Whoa, almost. Ah, dude! You bastard. You got in my way. Alright, we have first. I don't know that... No, yeah, I was gonna say, I think the other team will have one more person. Zeta, it's a little bit of a delay on stream. Yeah, that's YouTube. There's no fixing that. Carson, oh. Carson checking everyone's channels. But yeah, 17 years ago, that's wild. Which actually, now that I think about it, when is mine? How long ago does it say I joined? Let's see. I know this particular channel is not gonna look like it's that old. That was a interesting one. Okay, let's see. Is there? Oh, do I not have an about on this channel? Kyotera, at the moment, no open spot. We're full up, but I don't know how long everyone was planning on sticking around. Sorry, I'm looking to try to figure out... Okay, we're just gonna... That's weird. I don't see a way to see that, so... Oh, my main is February 2007? Okay. It's weird as I'm looking at my own and I don't see that listed anywhere. Carson, how dare you? Wait, how are we losing people? I feel like this guy's aiming for me. Wait, what? How? We were ahead. Dude. We've gotten robbed on so many maps today. Now, granted, one of them because of a terrible teammate, but I'm sure the other team was catching up, but they shouldn't have had enough time, so they must have beaten us by exactly 1 point. And did everyone else forget to quit out? Oh, yeah, okay, Carson, I see where... They used to have an actual about page, and they got rid of it. But apparently, burying it in the description that is hidden was how they now have that stuff. That's kind of bad. I don't like that. Terrible UI choice. Hey, Brawl, how's it going? I looked away at the wrong time. And hey, Christopher, how are you doing? It's going pretty well for you, eh? Nice. Let's see. Well, I'm having the typical, terrible treatment from FedEx, so, you know, that's made up part of my day. Other than that, I had a headache earlier. You know, so, I've had better Saturdays, but it's not bad. Nobody but Carson is gonna understand this, but I've also been trying to sort out some issues with Docker. That's yeah. Carson taking off after this. Kyotera, are you still around? If so, we have a spot opening up. Actually, let's see. I want to say Kyotera even joined. Yeah, I might ping him on Discord if he does not answer. Ah, you are still here? Yeah. Oh, got a head. I am jumping at just the slightly worst time on that. That dude just would not screw up just by a footstep. Almost got first. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, okay. So, Brawl. At least it's not that bad of a Saturday. Did something fun yesterday. Do tell. Well, do tell if it's okay to tell. Carson, Docker's great when it works, but debugging anything is a pain. Yes, it is. That's the thing that drives me crazy. Debugging Docker issues is just a nightmare. At least in any of the times that I've tried using it. Yeah, I just cannot seem to ever... well, part of it obviously comes down to, like, the containers that people have made. Sometimes that's just the problem, and, you know, it is what it is. But, yeah, I've just not had great luck with Docker stuff. Like, even right now, this is at the smallest of things, but VS Code, Visual Studio Code, if you try to build a Docker container, at least as far as I can tell, you can put in the correct architecture, but it still wants to download the wrong architecture for you. And wow, it just, that dude like targeted me. I was trying to go in between, and for whatever reason it just wouldn't let me, because that is always a safe place to run, is in between. And it, like, their bounding box was off or something. So hopefully that doesn't screw us over. We still have a decent buffer, so I'm okay. We're down to 2. That's worrisome. I think that still leaves us ahead of the others, but does not create more buffer. We're safe. We're very safe. Okay. Zeta, a lot of fireworks near you. Yeah. That drives me a little crazy. Because, I mean, in the wintertime, I don't mind it as much. I think it's kind of obnoxious to do it, but it's less of an issue. I don't have dogs, and I do have one animal that is a little bit freaked out by fireworks. Actually, more than a little, but yeah, the fireworks haven't been too bad so far this year, but yeah, it's really, really common for New Year's fireworks to happen. Why people are setting them off for Christmas, I do not know that one. That makes no sense to me. Christmas is not really a fireworks thing. Jumping off before it throws me under the bar, because I've had that happen. Ah, that guy jumped at or got knocked over and it knocked me over. Somehow he survived though. Dude, go over the edge. Nobody cares. Let's see. Yeah, anyway. To be fair, I'm much more against fireworks on 4th of July, though. Because I live in Oregon. Like, Oregon has wildfires every year. Every single year that can be attributed to fireworks. Like, I hate the idea of fireworks during the middle of summer when everything is dry. That is the actual worst. People are horrible for doing that. For real. And I'm glad some people like this stage. And I go right all the time, and it's almost never the way to go. Wait, how is one of our team members gone? And why did that just knock me over? Okay, I think, yeah, we got that. I don't know who got it, but thank you, whoever did. That's weird. Okay, so it's showing everybody in here at the end, but up on the screen at the top, it said somebody was out. I'm very confused. Let's see. But, Metric Brawl. Really quick. What is it you said? A new motherboard and PSU for Christmas. PC was dead, rebuilt PC. Worked first try. That's actually kind of an accomplishment. It's weird how often building a PC, you always have something that goes wrong, and it never turns on or posts at first. Okay, so oh wait. So Zeta, congrats on grabbing it, thank you. Carson, take it easy. I know you said you were taking off. Zeta, did you leave on purpose, or was that another server glitch? I don't know. Whoa, what just happened? So everybody just fell off, or did the game just totally glitch? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to send Kyuter an invite. Okay, yeah, I know Carson left on purpose. The other two, I did not expect that to happen. Okay, Zeta is still in. Or it's still in the game. Okay, you took off on purpose. Good to know. And enjoy sleep. And I am assuming... sorry, I'm all... my brain is going blank. But the other one, Busy Narwhal, is offline. So... Or, well, actually, I don't know about offline, but... yeah, I don't see anywhere on, so I'm thinking something either crashed or... who knows. But, in the meantime... Duos. Anyway, let's see. Wait, the YouTube chat is not letting me scroll now. I can't scroll back up to see more. Oh my god. I want to build my own. Okay, I'm working on another coding project first, but when I finish that one, I'm building my own YouTube admin interface. This sucks. This thing is always broken in some dumb way. And who knows, maybe that'll be a good open source project that people will care about. And lean run. Oh boy. Let's see. Okay. Alright, quick read down. Brawl regarding building the PC, that's a huge achievement. No, for real. I've built, I don't know, I'd say probably, I'm gonna ballpark 10 computers in my life. And seeing as I haven't built one in, it's been more than 10 years, I feel like that's actually saying a decent amount. I used to do computer builds all the time. Well, no, actually, okay, sorry, I built roughly 10 of my own. I built computers for other people too, which I wouldn't even know where to count on those. Anyway, and the thing is, I would say at least half of them, like you get everything plugged in, you attach everything, and then you flip the switch to arm the power supply, and then hit the power button, and it just does nothing. Like, at least half the time that was an issue. And then you fiddle with stuff, like you move the RAM around to different slots. You try, sometimes it's something stupid, like you need to flip a dip switch somewhere, or Oh man, I'm trying to think of any of the other explanations, and I actually can't. But it was always some really strange thing. Oh, or this happened way too often. It'd be something stupid like there would be a one of the cables coming off the power supply that has to go into one of the weirder things for the motherboard. Actually, why am I even bothering with this? Yeah, more often than not, those would have some weird issue with them. Oh, come on. There we go. But yeah, always something. Cosmo just now saying save a spot. Would have been a hard thing to do earlier, but yeah, there is space for you right now when you show up. Let's see. It was also your first time putting an AM4 CPU into. So if I screwed that up, bye-bye CPU. Yeah. That's something that bothers me so much about CPUs these days. The whole thing where you can only mount them, like, there were some that you could mount like more than once, but it was only like 2 or 3 times or something. But the whole idea that you can only mount it one time, that is ridiculous. That should not be a thing. That absolutely, I'm sorry, I don't care what excuse they have. That should not be a thing at all. I would go so far as to say that I feel like that's something that should be legally prevented from being a thing. Good old Blast Lannis. That... Nice. He just straight walks off. Thinking this one's not gonna respawn. Oh no. We lost Kyotera. And a fumble. Alright, so I think as long as I don't do anything stupid, pretty sure we're safe. Thanks to whomever gave me that blast ball to throw back. Cool, we are getting a buffer on us, so hooray. I don't know if anyone's gonna catch up at this point, but I'm just gonna relax right here. Yeah, try for me. See how far that gets you. Let's see. Yeah, it's not letting me scroll back in this. Would refreshing the screen help? Seriously. Oh my god, I just... Oops. Oh well. that didn't matter. What happens if I load up the actual video here? I can still scroll back in my own stream, right? Yeah. How is it that YouTube can screw up everything constantly? Okay, so reading off of here. Okay, Brawl. Oh yeah, today I got reminded why trying to install Windows 7 on modern hardware is not fun. I would argue that installing Windows 7 at all was not fun. Hey, look at that. Nice front of the pack position. Well, this is, at this point, just a chill obstacle course run. And we're the only team still running a perfect score, so that's good to see. Since we're playing duos, that means everyone else is at least half gone. So, even if either Kyotera or myself get knocked out, as long as the other one's here, it's literally impossible for any other team to unseat us. And we're just running it together. Ooh, that bar got a little spicy. Oh, yeah, I think, yeah, looks like I was the last one left anyway. Okay. Brawl, you got it installed, but USB. Yeah, okay. So you were trying to install from a USB key, I take it, and yeah. Yeah, installing Windows from the USB back then was awful. Let's see. Oh, David, sorry, I did not see it earlier, but you said you can hop on for a game or two after this run. My apologies, I did not see that, but I will send an invite to you momentarily. Should be getting to the, yep, first turn is coming up right here. Bye. So it's just that guy now, and the two of us, which is nice. Oh no! Okay, well, Kyotera's out. Hey, I almost screwed that up. Oh, crap. What? I was done for, and he messed up. Wow. That was some luck. Let's see, okay. Let's get through this, and... Okay. Get an invite sent to David. Okay, alright, and you're waiting for squads. Sorry if anyone has asked about joining that I have not seen yet. I will be I'm still trying to catch up on chat. Let's see. David, think it helps that cable connections on motherboards are much more simplified. Yeah, they've gotten a lot better over the years. They used to be horrible. Like, you would have to just know where some of the connections were supposed to go to or come from. Now, they tend to be, from what I've seen, they tend to be a lot more, kind of like every connection is really only going to go to one thing on the motherboard. Brawl, they should make CPUs like USB-C. I mean, kind of, yeah. How did I just get thrown off? What happened there? This is very weird. It's like I swear I'm getting like a little bit of lag as I'm playing. Let's see. Kirby, only recommend AM4 on a super budget build. AM5 is having first-gen issues with the DDR5 controller. Brawl. Okay, so you mean plug them in any direction? That's actually an interesting idea. Also, wow, our rookie is special. Of course. Still strangely better than some we've had. Cosmo at Walmart right now, which was like 15 minutes ago. Kirby had a Ryzen machine and cause of the RAM stability issues on the X3D AM5 chips. Oh, because of those stability issues you went over with Intel. Yeah. Wait. And the YouTube chat just decided to jump weirdly, so I lost my place. Well, the thing is, I wasn't building a new PC, I was rebuilding the old one. Yeah, that does kind of help. Or it kind of makes decisions for you. Okay. Picked up a USB 550 from MSI, huge upgrade. Finally got front USB-C working. What a concept. Yeah. YouTube might be Romanian if they screw everything up. Yeah. Give it time. Somehow YouTube will find a way to break new things in new and inventive ways. Oh, why did I not even try jumping at that? For me, installing Windows 7 is fun until you decide to install it on anything with USB 3 and you don't have the drivers. Yeah. Oh, dude. Okay. Kind of hating on this, on our rando. Sort of almost feel like he's gonna end up getting reported at some point. Something's up with him. I feel like he might be a troll. Kirby currently running 11. Kyotera from the last run. We were the only team left alive. I had a feeling. Brawl also running 11, not daily driving 7. I'm actually a little curious. Why are you installing 7 at all? Oh, damn it. I just barely beat those dudes. Man, I am... I'm having no luck with boots right now. There we go. Someone else carried us on that one for sure, or at least me, because everywhere I went, hoops had either already been taken, or they weren't spawning. Like, I hung out in a couple spots way too long, and they just never spawned. Let's see, Windows 10 and 11 is all USB installer now. Yeah. Brawl. Install from Windows 11 through mounting the ISO and installing like that. It went through the OOB, but once again, the lack of USB really screwed it all up. Yeah. Media creation tool is a godsend. Yeah, it is now. It didn't used to be any good. It used to be hot garbage. I don't know how much of a memory you have of that, but the media creation tool used to routinely make stuff that it said would be bootable. It was not bootable. Way too often the media creation tool would screw up and just leave you with, like, if you were burning a disk, the disk would be like burned wrong. It would have some sort of junk data, or it would be incomplete. That happened a lot. And if you were trying to make something like a bootable USB, half the time it just didn't. Dude, I will straight up kill you. I do not want to deal with a dumb troll. Nope, we gotta... Oh my god, okay. No! Dude, get off the map. Like, straight up, I am just not in a mood for this. Okay, E-Flake. Cool. Done. I knew this was gonna be a problem. Just gonna report the crap out of you for everything. You don't belong here. I really just am not in... not in the mood to put up with somebody as trash as this. Okay. Oops. Yep. Yeah, let's all just quit. I reported that guy. Everyone else may as well too. Truly, passionately, deeply hope that his life goes horribly. Like, that is my take on it. Like, genuinely hope bad things happen to him. Alright, let's see. So, Kyotera, when you get it back out, just ready up. And I just checked, I don't see Cosmo on yet. So let's see, Cosmo, gotta pay Dad through food. So I'm gonna get him a Kerwin Frost meal to see if you get a Kerwin or a golden nugget. Oh, we lost Kyotera? Don't see anything about quitting. Okay. I'll send an invite. I don't know if you were planning on quitting or not, but the invite's sent just in case. Let's see. And though, that's weird. Playing Fall Guys. Kyotera is not listed. Down here, it shows Fall Guys as the game. I love how broken Epic's hold system is. So I'll give it just a minute just in case. Alright, let's see. Cosmo. Well, this is old messages. Brawl, you should invest in a PS2 keyboard, to be honest. You know, that's the thing. It shouldn't have still been useful, but I had PS2 keyboards for a long time that I was still finding reasons I needed to plug in. It's amazing how long those kept being useful because USB just was a busted, broken thing, basically through USB 2, like the USB 2 era. Once USB 3 came out, I think USB 2 had finally reached a point of stability where it was usable, but only barely. Cashflow asking about customs. Sorry, we don't really do customs on here. Mostly because they don't reward you. Okay, I think we'll just queue up for duos. Unless Unless I'm missing something down below. Oh, Caleb, okay. You were... Wait, are you on? Oh, wait, there you are. Okay, sorry, and I'm still trying to catch up to messages way, way back. Okay, so... Reading up on squads, unless there's somebody else I missed. Thanks, David, for not for not readying up yet, because I had not seen that message. Let's see, even PS2 mice are expensive in Romania. When will you ever find something cheap in the damn country? You know, the thing is, I think at this point, finding PS2 mice, yeah, they're gonna cost too much. Even in the U.S., like, no one makes them, or not actively, I imagine. So yeah, they've got to be nearly dead. At this stage, you're looking for used, and I think a lot of people just don't bother trying to sell them. So unless you're going to like the used PC repair shop that might have some lying around, you know, they're not going to be too prevalent. Oh, that actually worked. No. I screwed my own run there. Why did I just trip there? I don't know. Let's see. Metric Brawl. For random, why not? Is there a reason why not? Sorry, I don't know what those were in response to. Cosmo is back. Gotta go after this round. Ah, there's Kill You Terror saying gotta go after that round. I did not see that before. Alright. Oh, Kill You Terror saying might even randomly disconnect. Okay. Brawl. Tried the Windows 10 media creation tool like 3 months ago. Yeah, it failed. Yeah, it just was not good enough. Cosmo got money from focus group. Nice. I miss when there were more of those. Let's see. Okay, there's the stuff about the trash player that trolled us. Oh, I missed that one. Weird, that guy just took the longest way around to get through that section. What? Oh, come on, I was in the air. Oh, and we lost our random. They were gone before we even started this level. Or... Come on, Fall Guys, what the heck? Brawl. That was one of the most chill, I hope your life goes horribly wishes I've ever heard. Yeah. Let's see. Caleb, yeah, I'm now caught up to the stuff where you're spamming the channel. I get it, but yeah, dude, seriously. You, do not spam the channel. That was highly unnecessary. It wasn't gonna speed up anything by spamming. And also, you definitely should listen to David. Notice how his name's in blue and has the little wrench next to it? That's a sign he's a mod. Listen to David when he tells you what to do. And just in general, don't be rude. Being rude in this channel is a real quick, easy way to not be around much longer. Brawl. if Brawl's saying if I was you, and wasn't streaming, I'd wish some terrific stuff on him. Look, I won't say this because I'm streaming, or well, I won't say what I would like to say because I'm streaming, but oh no, we've got another troll. Fun. I don't know what the deal is, but yeah, reporting you, because there's something funky here. This is either someone who's just got their controller set up to automatically... No? Okay, then they're trolls. This could be a kid, but I think troll is more likely. Okay, anyway, yeah, if anyone heard me just say what I'd like to say, I have a tendency to make very creative insults. I mean, we're talking inventive language. Let's see. Caleb, age is not a... Forgive me for saying it, but age is not a defense. David, Cody has the patience of a teacher. No, I don't. No, I just... Yeah. I won't say what I'm thinking on that one. Looks like one pair and 3 of the green fruit things. The crazy thing is, we're surviving. We're in 2nd place, despite the fact that we we started down a person. Okay, 2 banana, 4 pear, 3 coconuts. So, banana, coconut, pear. And even with just 2 people in, we're actually holding on to 2nd place. That is insanity. Okay, so I count 4 dragon fruit, 3 coconut, 2 banana. So, 2 banana, coconut, Yep. Easy round. How on earth did we make it with just basically 2 people for that? Brawl. You watch the streams, get lucky, become a mod. No, you become a mod by hanging around and actually being chill and being an adult. Let's see, Brawl, I read the, ow. I couldn't move in time to catch that. Whoa. Their team is terrible, which is kind of nice for us. Whoa, that was a... Someone get on the other ball. Why is no one watching me? Okay, whoa. No, no. Ah. Sweet. Okay, David's got that. Wow. That was a runaway success. Brawl. And that was final round too. Wow. Brawl, you've been praised about how chill you are when you die in CS2, but put you in a warm place and you'll hear me swear like no one has. Nice. Yeah, generally being a good mod is mostly about actually just being responsible, having a good sense of what should and shouldn't be allowed. David taking off. Okay. Brawl, but you don't smash anything because can't afford to replace it. Yep. No, that is David stepping away for a bit. Okay. Yeah, no, that's for real. That is very much a thing. Though, regardless of when, like, I've been able to replace things or not, I just generally don't want to smash anything because I don't want to have to clean it up, and I don't want to wait to replace a thing. I also don't really feel inclined to smash stuff, so there is that, but yeah, I don't want to, like, if you break a controller, for example, what are you going to do? Like, okay, maybe you have other controllers lying around, but if you don't, like, you can't play until you've replaced it. That sucks. Brawl, you're a mod on a bunch of Fortnite channels. That's that actually says a lot. From what I understand, Fortnite gets all kinds of toxic behaviors. Had to throw the laying down emote. Let's see. Okay. Good win. Need to fix a drift on the Xbox controller though. Ah, yeah. It still gets me. I don't think I've ever really had drift on a controller that well, I don't think I've ever really had drift on a controller. We're all planning on buying a new monitor that's at least 144 hertz, and also want to buy a DisplayPort cable. You know, I've never really played played on high refresh monitors, but I have a feeling that's going to become pretty standard very soon. Like, next couple of years, I think almost everything is just going to be very high refresh rate. Like, that's going to become kind of a default. Because it's happened with phone displays, and I think there's just enough of a push now that everybody wants to kind of be selling that instead of, like, kind of the low refresh rate budget screens. David, scream obscenities when you get upset. No, that's the way to do it. I've just, I just have learned, or not learned, but I'm just careful to censor everything that I would like to say when I'm on stream. Turn it just into a very limited version of that. Izzy, sorry, I was not caught up, but hi, how are you? How's your weekend? Brawl, no, you don't get paid, you do it because it's fun. Yeah, I've noticed, okay, so, obviously I don't run a particularly big channel. It definitely doesn't make enough to be able to pay someone anyway, but I've noticed one while I was looking into some articles about like various side hustles people were doing on the internet, one of the things I saw listed, which I thought was an interesting notion, was Discord mods. Apparently that has become a bit of a business for some channels, where like people just come in and I guess apply to be mods, presumably with relatively little experience with the channel, and sometimes they're actually getting hired for it. At least that's kind of how the article framed it. I don't know if there's much truth in that, but it was an interesting notion. The thing is, though, that means that you got to spend a lot of time sitting in Discord and Discord channels or YouTube channels, and that seems like a lot of it. It seems like a lot of work for what cannot be very good pay. So unless you're really into that channel or server already, I just can't imagine people doing this. Dude, stop pushing over. Sorry, I wasn't trying to bump into you. Just kind of happened that way. And but you do it because it's fun and you can spam L whenever the streamer dies. Nice. Brawl, never had stick drift either. Izzy, you have 1539 crowns. Congrats. Sounds like you've probably spent a lot of time farming. Let's see. David, got enough show bucks for Fame Pass. That's because you use PlayStation controllers, the Toyotas of the consoles and accessories. That's not entirely untrue. I mean, I've had Xbox, a couple of different Xbox models over the past, but I don't think I ever played them enough for stick drift to like crop up. Oops. Dude, I do not like that guy being pest. Yeah, I had a feeling someone was going to... Ooh, that got lost. Oh well. Wow, that was a nice landing. Okay, well, let's just go back over here and deal with this stupid melee that these morons keep having. Okay, where's... Okay, well, I made a Steam account for every PC that had Steam, installed CS2, and just kept it there. You don't use that account, I have a main that I also buy gift cards on. Okay. Brawl. Oh, if you're wondering, they don't average many viewers. 18 viewers, most average. Yeah. See, that's one of the things. Like this channel. I have been watching the stats, but this channel hit a max of 9 so far tonight. But with 160 subscribers, like, you know, it's one of those things. No matter how many subscribers you get, your live count is never going to be that great. Not until you're in the ridiculously high numbers. Also, to be fair, you know, there is some of it that's affected by type of audience and the type of things that you stream, stuff like that. There's someone, or a few people who are running around just being obnoxious, grabbing everybody. Normally when I stand back near the back of the map, normally there aren't people coming back anywhere near me. This time, I've got people getting uncomfortably close. Not a fan. But let's see, so... David, thought moderation was a volunteer thing. You'll be waiting for a check when I hit it big. That actually probably would happen. You know, if somehow this channel ever starts actually making good money, you know. You know how it goes. Speaking of PlayStation, those new PlayStation Portal devices must be selling like hotcakes because you saw they were all out of stock. For some reason, my brain did not click which level I was looking at. Why is it that this level is now an auto stumble when you... Yeah, anytime I fall more than, like, any distance at all, it causes me to stumble on the slide down. What is wrong? What did they change? They broke something. Yeah, look at that. Why? What is happening? And I'm still first through because everyone else followed someone who went to the wrong portal. Okay, so selling hotcakes because I saw they were all out of stock and local scalpers selling pretty well on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, the only explanation I can think of, I gotta guess, the only explanation I can think of is people do not understand what they do. Those PlayStation portals, like, somebody has to be looking at those going, oh, that means I can play anywhere. They probably get it home. They might understand maybe how it kind of works, like that it's still playing your actual PlayStation. But like they probably think they can play over the internet or something like that. I don't know. Okay, this is... Oh, you... Why? Why are they all coming down on my side? Oops. Now, that one was actually my fault. Okay, I'm in position. And easy grab. Wow. Didn't even have to fight for that one. This level, half the time I play on this level now, like, I win. Probably more than half. I don't know what it is. Suddenly, I can just sail right through this level. Cosmo. You keep asking me to save a spot, and... but yeah. Yeah, when you're ready, man. Okay, let's see. Out of curiosity, is Christopher... I saw Christopher say hi earlier. Are you still here? Not that it matters all that much, but I figured you were, figured you probably had Overwatch things going on, which I just kind of by coincidence I got lucky with I got lucky and got two of the harder to get achievements with, or no, 3 of them actually, sorry, 3 of them with 2 with Sombra. I got both Sombra's cute and pixel sprays, and I also managed to get the I think it's called No Good Path or something like that, where you destroy 3 of Symmetra's teleport portals. Just very, very lucky games where these turned out being so easy to get. Oh, I think I just heard fireworks. Ooh, oh. It doesn't matter. Got to see the end of that one. That's good enough. Oh, come on. Why did it trip me? Okay. David. Should be good, Cosmo. Wonder how many will complain when they take it on vacation. Or do you think people have their PlayStation with on vacation? Would this? Oh, like would they take their PlayStations with them on vacation? I do wonder. It'll be interesting because I really think a lot of people are going to be disappointed with that portal. Or I'm wondering how many people buy it and then return it. And you got to figure, like, the scalpers they obviously don't have return policies, so they're probably... I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of scalpers, like, kind of knowingly are dumping these things on people, knowing that they're misunderstanding what they're for. I don't know. There's got to be an explanation. There's no way these things should be selling as well as they are. That said, I do genuinely think that there is something to the notion that a lot of parents are probably sitting there like, we don't want our living room TV taken up by the game console. We want to let our kids play, but we also don't want them taking the console back and forth between rooms or moving around and stuff like that. So I'm sure there is an element where it is a product people want. I just can't imagine it is doing as well as that. And people are just knocking me over left and right. Yeah, there's got to be an explanation that's along the lines of like people must need them. And it's not that I ever thought people wouldn't have a use for something like this. It's just I think it's still a poorly designed product, given that you can't use it for streaming like TV or off of streaming services. That absolutely needs to be a feature. And the notion that it can't do like cloud streaming from it, or well, so far it's advertised as not being able to do that. I still think that they could probably push firmware updates to add all of these things. Cloud streaming for gaming and, you know, and streaming TV services. Here you got the double-decker cannons. I'll actually have to move a little bit on this map. Dude, don't be one of those. Oh my god. This stupid Among Us cheesehead is just a douche. He won't stop trying. Oh, good. He did actually give up. I truly did not see that coming. I thought he was going to be hassling me the entire match. Whoa. Take it easy there, Hoss. Alright, we are definitely safe. Let's see. Oops. As I hit the wrong button and accidentally hit chat. Okay. Got it back. Curvy, you always liked that your parents let you have your gaming stuff in your room when you got to middle school. Yeah, that's good. When I was growing up, I had... well, when I was first growing up, there was only the one TV in the house. So, you know, getting any game console, it went on there. Later, I think we replaced that TV, and then I think I took over the one that had been there. Or maybe I got a hand-me-down TV from somewhere else. I don't quite remember. Anyway, oh, just one snowball. Well, that keeps this easy. Oh, I've got two chumps who think they're funny. Dude, stop grabbing. I'm so tired of these people who think that they're gonna somehow win if they grab everybody. No eliminations. That was such a useful round. But yeah, anyway, when I got that TV, then the game consoles naturally followed into for a while it was my bedroom, for a while it was the room that was known as the computer room. Going back to David's earlier comment, still hearing Mauga's broken? Yup. I don't think he's even necessarily that broken. Problem is, he's just not good. He's got some bad mechanics. Come on. There you go. Okay. Not sure why that one got thrown at me. Ah! Why? Yeah, they're totally gonna start throwing some back. I feel like those three must be friends or something. Though maybe not. Maybe maybe it's just the two in the cowboy hats that are. They're not very good at this. Ah, Cosmo. Oops. Ah. Whoops. I didn't realize the water was coming up. Okay, Cosmo. Let's, come on. There we go. Accept join request. I'm going to assume that works. Let's see, alright. Now I think good. Yay! Oh no. No, the worst game mode. Not the worst, but I don't think I've won on this since they brought it back. Oh, okay. Well, that's an interesting... No? Really? Okay. I need to start cheating on this level, I think. I call it cheating, but it's actually just using. There we go. There we go. First time I have actually beaten this level. Fortunately, nobody else on the other teams knew how to cheat on this level, so that helps. I call it cheating. It really isn't technically cheating. It's just so close to it. Alright, so yay, we've got Cosmo in. Only drawback is now we have to put up with a rando. But, oh yeah, about Mauga. It's kind of funny. A few people I know who also play, they kind of quit playing on the basis that Mauga was broken and overpowered and just not fun to play with. And like 2 weeks after they were taking a break, is the better way to say it. But like a week or 2 weeks after they took the break, Mauga actually got buffed. Not nerfed, buffed. And I've kind of heard why. Like, it's funny because it really makes sense. In a way. And it further demonstrates why Mauga should really not have been added to the game. The problem is, they're trying to make him more appropriate for, like, competitive play. And he's very broken in regular play, but at higher rank competitive play, he's actually not that good. Like, he's good. Sorry, he is good. He's definitely a good hero in competitive play, but the problem is he's not well, he's got a balance issue where in competitive he's way too good. And we lost our rando. Or wait, who did we lose? No, we just had a rando complete. That's weird. Who got disconnected? Well, it's still showing all of us in. That's weird. But yeah, anyway, Mauga's, he's almost balanced, apparently, in the upper ranks of competitive, but at lower ranks, he is just way too much. But in general, I think he was a bad addition just because if he's in the match at all, basically the entire match just becomes about him. Come on. There we go. What in the world? That almost turned into the coolest save ever. Oh, wait, so it was the random that left. Who did I think was our... I don't know. Anyway. They gotta fix that. Why have they not fixed that yet? Mediatonics developers should be really embarrassed. Like, seriously, how are they... How? So far, we are getting good levels, though, for being down a person. And yeah, David, if you were interested in getting back in, we have space. No. Oh. Okay, Caleb got knocked out. And Cosmo's out. Alright. Solo mission. Yeah, I timed that wrong. That was my fault. And there's a crowd of people down there trying to jump to the second one. How new are some of these players? Cosmo, no worries. I think I got this. Whoa. Almost pooched that one. Only one person getting across in front of me, then me. How many are even still left? Not many. In fact, it would take... Wait, can they... I don't know. I might be safe. Or we might be safe. We're safe. Actually, it's impossible. This is the only guy left. So we're definitely safe. That's hilarious. Let's see, David. You're not? Okay. Had to do some stuff. Might hop on tomorrow, though. Yeah, I'll be on tomorrow. Or that's the plan. It'll take a pretty unexpected turn of events for me to not be on tomorrow. And actually don't know, hate the holidays. Yeah, I get that. But yeah, I'll be on tomorrow night. Actually, okay, so I'm not gonna do this for reasons, but I could almost see doing like an intentional New Year's countdown stream. I won't, but, you know, I could kind of see doing that. Alright, come on. More people need to fall down. I think we're almost to the point where we can't recover. I think we are gaining? No, we're not. Boo to our rando. May our rando find no happiness in life, for they are disappointments to us, their parents, their friends. When their teachers were asked, will this kid do well? Their teachers looked solemnly and said, yeah, no, not happening. On government forums, they, along with their name, they have to put in parentheses, disappointment to all. When Santa visits their home and is like, what gift do I give to this kid? They're like, the best gift that Santa can give is no gift at all. Prepare them to be disappointments forever and always. It's getting so weird with this. And it could all be fixed if Mediatonic would just be like, oh yeah, let's have backfill. Backfill would just fix this problem. Mostly. I mean, sure, you'd still have a random few instances where, like, where it becomes an issue, but they could just add backfill and life gets good for everybody. Or better. Better. Come on. Why do you do that? Oh, come on. Why did the flipper, like, not give me any height? Okay. Still got across first. I'll take it. Okay, so we got Caleb across, I'm across, Cosmo's almost there. Yay. Oh no. We've got a rando that hasn't gotten even through the flippers yet. No, kid. Oh my god. How? How? Was there even anyone still there? Is anyone further back? No, ours was, I think, as far back as it goes. Let's see if this kid's even still in it in this round. These are the people who almost always quit after the first round. Caleb, you want Lily Leapers? Oh, weird. My YouTube chat doesn't have that comment. No. For whatever reason, just Alright, well, it's for the Patreon. Wait a second, what? This person might be a troll too? Clearly knows how to play some of this. Not good, but well enough that they are definitely going to finish. Well, unless it cuts off at the last second, but something sus here. Something real sus. Alright, little Blast Lannis to fill out the run, as long as our rando doesn't jump into the freaking water. We're probably okay here. Dude, don't be one of those. No, I only put him onto the platform. Okay, we lost Caleb. So far, nobody else, which is really surprising. This is why I'm suspicious about that, that guy thought he was gonna get some retribution. Let's see, water level has not started rising that I can tell. I don't know if that works or not, but I guess not. He's trying so hard to... Carson, any space? Yes, there is. You're welcome to join. Okay, in fact, Sending invite now. Caleb, after this game, using the bathroom. Is this, sorry to ask this way, but quick or short visit to the bathroom? If it's gonna, or sorry, quick or long visit to the bathroom. If it's gonna take more than a minute, let us know, because it'd be better if... Oh, wait, are we down a person? Yeah, we're down a person. Boo. Okay. Is someone... No one decided to go play goalie? Okay. I guess... I have to. Okay, well, Cosmo, go ahead and get into the melee if you want, but... Nope. We got a runner. Sweet, sweet. Yes, tied up. We have a chance. Damn it. There were two coming. I had to pick one. I thought we had somebody on the other. No, no, no. Oh, damn it. I couldn't get ahead of it. Being down a person sucks, dude. And it wasn't our team that was broken. That was such BS. I'm not sure it would have made any difference, but yeah, we got rolled. Didn't help that their entire team was kind of useless. Okay, so Caleb is hitting the bathroom. Let's see. I don't get the next major costume until 60, and I'm on 54. Can we do a creator? Yeah, actually, that's a good idea. We'll do the, we'll do these. Oh, Cosmo, I should ask, do you need to do your dailies? If so, I mean, no matter what, we'll be going back to... Oh, well, it's pretty close to stream time. If you need to do dailies, say so, and we'll do a couple more runs of, you need to do dailies? Okay. Yeah, after we do... Let's do 2 of these, and then we'll stick around and do squads to get Cosmo through the dailies. Brawl, welcome back. Can't sleep, huh? Cosmo, we've got to place first. Yeah, I think I've had 4 or 5 wins tonight, so... Oh, and this... No, this one is not one of those place first maps. This is, Come on. There we go. It's taking 10. Which I suspect is probably about as many as it. Ah! The speed ups are a curse. I want to see if I can't avoid. Yeah! Oh. Okay, maybe that strategy is good, I'm sure of it. The only problem is... it's working. Cosmo got through? Congrats. Oh, okay, so have to choose one of these. I think. Nope, I guess not. Ah! That was going faster than I anticipated. Oh! Overshot that by a mile. Let's see. Brawl, sleep is non-existent. Ugh. Yeah, that sucks. Kayla got disconnected. Brawl gonna go try to sleep again? Okay. Well, good luck. And Caleb, do we talk about ages in chat? I don't know what that really means, but Carson just screwing around. Oh, wow. The balls actually get sped up by going through the gates. That is wild. Yeah, I don't know what to... I'm not really sure what that means to talk about ages in chat, but it does sound weird. And you did already tell us that you were 10, if I remember correctly. But generally, talking about age is not much of a thing that we do. I don't know what else to say. Okay, let's see. Let's go back and do squads after this is done. And that way we can yeah, this was a decent level. Not super confusing or designed to mess with you too much, but yeah, you kind of have to learn how to play it. And this guy's taking the really hard route, or really lame route, of letting the speed gates wear off before moving to the next step, and now is just stuck here. Oh, he's not... There's no way this kid figures out how to get through this stage. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Not totally clueless. How about you? You might be clueless. Yeah, stick drift will screw you up on this level. A lot. Yep, this one's clueless. These guys are just goofing around, of course. But yeah, let's go back and do a couple squads. Make sure that Cosmo can get through the dailies, because it's always faster doing it in squads. Well, I say that, but I usually fly through the dailies doing solos pretty often. But still. How much would it suck to be goofing around and then be like, yeah, no, I'm just going to fail right there at the end. Caleb. Yeah, after we do, it should only take, I think, probably 2 squads runs, maybe just 1. I'm not really sure how far along Cosmo is in the dailies, but yeah, if we should be able to get by with just like 1, maybe 2 squads runs, and then yeah, we'll do a couple more creators. Normally I stop streaming right about this time, but I'll stick around a little longer. So let's see. Oh, Carson, I think I did figure out what I was going to do for to deal with that development issue that I was contemplating, like how to run or how to build something that I can run on the Synology and on my laptop. And you know, it goes back to what I was talking about before, but I'm thinking I might just, if I just build everything in Docker containers except for like the one client app that I need to build, if it's all running in Docker containers, that mostly kind of solves it. I just have to be able to move the images back and forth with their data, which could be a little bit of a messy thing, but I think it's sortable. Well, sortable as in I can sort it out. I landed on the hammer, it just didn't give me the push. But yeah, I'm thinking that if I can, so I can run MongoDB obviously in a container. The sort of like the service that I need to build so that it can do some of the scanning stuff, that can obviously run in a container. And that's actually kind of perfect. It's almost better to do it that way. And obviously I can just run Docker on a MacBook, like no big issue there. Not sure if there's going to be any weirdness between running the image on a laptop and then throwing it onto a Synology for regular usage, but we'll see. Dude, don't grab. What is wrong with you? Oops. Grab the wrong person. There's a dude in a raccoon suit Actually, instead I'm going to call it a Tanuki suit. It kind of looks like the old Tanuki suit. He seems like a troll. Probably a tryhard. I think it's... Oh, it won't pop up names now. What is a Synology? It is a NAS. That's NAS. Short for Network Attached Storage. Basically, it's a server. Mostly designed to be... Or they started as just file servers, but now it's pretty common to run like usually smaller services on them. It kind of like business oriented services and things like that. So, you know, it's not uncommon to throw like dude, don't. I'm moving. Screw this dude. Okay, watermelon, mango. It was cherry? Yeah, watermelon, mango, cherry, orange. There's multiple trolls on this level. Okay, cherry. Why are we losing people? We're the only ones still standing. But yeah, anyway. Yeah, Carson, if you search on Android Police for Synology, especially Synology Review, you'll find that I've reviewed 3 of them, I think. Maybe it's only 2. Yeah, anyway. And I've also reviewed 2 or 3 from TerraMaster. I think it's just 2. Probably 2 each. Though TerraMaster's sending me another one in sometime in the next week, I think. I don't exactly know, but yeah, they've got a new one which is pretty beefy from what I could tell. Anyway, yeah, so I've reviewed a few of these. They're good. They're good hardware. And one of the nice things about them is they support running Docker containers. So boo. That guy did not deserve it. Okay, watching 5 buttons. Oh, no. Okay, I'll let you fight over those. I'm gonna watch the remaining couple over here. You gave up at the same time. Why is everyone fighting over these over here? Ah, good. Anyway, yeah, so a lot of people end up buying a Synology just to run Plex. That is, I would guess, at least like 50% of their usage. Well, Synology or some other NAS. And then it's pretty common for like small businesses to have one or two. They'll just use them as file servers to like drop images, share files around, stuff like that. And sometimes they'll run like email servers on them, or like other kinds of so-called business intelligence stuff. They might run like like a WordPress install. I don't know, simple things that you might need inside the business, but you're not necessarily going to care about. You're not necessarily going to need like the power of a major server. How are you two still on? You've taken like hit after hit after hit. How did that hit me and not him? And teammate just knocked me out. Okay. Carson versus Chump. Oh, come on. There we go. Cosmo, I know it's an accident. David, great for backups, yeah. Yeah, that is actually, you're right, that is one of the other common uses. We also got Cosmo that win for the week. Your aim was terrible. I don't know, you ended up coming out okay. I put one person off, I think. I kept getting people. Like, I got people in the blast radius tons of times, but they kept not going out. Let's see. Cosmo, out of curiosity, did that finish your dailies, or do you need to do more? Two more matches? All right. Wait. Do you... Yeah, let's do creatives then. Just because it's good, easy, or mostly easy, or interesting. But it's mostly sure thing shards. But yeah, what I was saying about David's comment, yeah, they are, a NAS is so good for backups. Like if you don't want to use something like Google Drive or Dropbox, a NAS is kind of a good like self-hosted backup option. Okay, is this, of course, I don't get one. And, oh good, these are unlimited, so... Oh, weird. Motion with these things is messed up sometimes. Oh, I get it. Okay. That required messing around a little bit to get that working. So, if you guys are having trouble, go back, go back down to those lower levels, use those speed up gates, build up some speed off of those, and then you can hit the reverse drum again, and it should give you enough punch on to go back on the center path. Yeah, you're never going to be able to run up that thing. It's way too steep. Okay. Camera control is kind of a tricky one in this one. Oh no. Like, that straight up ruined that attempt. Yeah, the hitting other players really screws up that section. Inching closer to that chicken head. Yeah, people were definitely staying in the way. That was a problem. Hopefully a little bit better level this time. Nils brings up an interesting point. There were no new iPads in 2023. That is unexpected. I figured there definitely would have been. Oh no, actually, wait a second. They didn't have the well, wait. The M2 has been out. Oh no, it's one of these levels. I do not like these levels at all. I think I've even been on this specific level before. Hurry, hurry, hurry! Yeah, I hate these levels because if you get knocked out of anything, you usually can't recover. Like, it's designed so that you're just trapped behind it. David, maybe they saw no one was buying M3 MacBooks. So, is the M3 actually out yet? I know that's a weird thing to say, but I actually don't remember. I think it came out, what, a month and a half ago, right? Am I crazy in saying that, or... Yeah, okay, it's out. That's right, they released all three at once. Sorry. Sometimes you know a thing and then you forget it. Yeah, well, that was kind of a crap level. I'll agree on that. I mean, I was saying it the whole time anyway. I hate those levels. That one was easier than the others I've been on, though. I played a few of those where they're just not doable. Like, you're bound to fail out of them all the time. This one was pretty easy as it goes. Cosmo, you're doing one more than getting off? Yeah, same for me. This will be my last. But, yeah, the thing is, correct me if I'm wrong, there has not been an M2 iPad yet, right? I guess I could check that, too. Oh, I think I know this one. This looks like a familiar level. I don't know if I played this one or not. Oh. Come on. Wait, it starts you all the way back here? That's a long way to start you back for a miss. Though this seems like this would be actually a good, fun, playable level for real maps. This might even be a halfway decent... Oh, nope, that does not seem where you want to be. Okay. This doesn't seem so hard that it's actually, like, legitimately unplayable. Wait, what is this? Oh. Well. Dude, stop. Stop, you jackass. You screwed that up, and now this guy's just gonna be over there holding a ball for absolutely no purpose. Man, I am gonna... He actually accidentally got over. Oops. Oh, bad throw. I'm aiming way too high. What? How did that not? Dude is not even trying. Is there, like, some sneaky... Ah, good. Basketball fan saves us. Okay, Cosmo's through. Person and me are the only ones who are stuck all the way back here. That guy thought he was gonna troll me. I sailed past him. That guy knocked everyone in? That's kind of hilarious. Okay, let's see. Before I go, I want to check that. The iPad, let's see, iPad Pro. Oh, they do have an M2 in the iPad Pro. Okay. So, that's interesting. Huh. Yeah, that was a mostly good level. I don't like that basketball bit. That part was broken. Especially because there was someone who was actively trying to throw basketballs onto the other side of the gate so people couldn't get through. That's a seriously douche maneuver. Oops. Didn't mean to ready up. Okay, so I'm gonna bounce. Let's see. I didn't even get around to playing some Overwatch tonight. Anyway. Let's see. So... Oh, actually, now that I think about it, I need to start the clock on doing that. You know, I'm just going to do that now. It's not a big deal. But just so I've got my... The clock on dailies, they do something kind of neat with it. You get... When you start playing, you get 20 hours to finish out. Like, from whenever you log in. You get 20 hours to do your dailies, and then the clock restarts the next time you log in after that time has elapsed. So, but if I want them to be readily available when I play next time tomorrow, I should start the game now so that I can so that it will have cycled by tomorrow night's stream. Anyway, Carson, take it easy. What if they push the iPads one chipset behind? Aren't they already? I think that's been their strategy. Like they wait until I could be wrong on this, but I think they wait until the whichever current M series chip has been out most of the time. And then they like once they're getting kind of like, or once they've rolled out the current M series chip to all the Macs, then they go and stick it into an iPad. I think I might have that wrong. I haven't really looked at the dates. Okay, and again, I'm not actually playing. I just needed to sign that on. Okay, now turning it off. Let's see. Caleb, yeah, no, not on. Like this channel has enough mods now. But you can have a blue name on your channel. Anyway, so let's see. Yeah, I think it is a little surprising though that Apple hasn't rolled out a new iPad, but logically they haven't had the M3 chips out long enough. Like those just got announced, and there's not really a reason for them to roll out more until they have a new chip to put in them. So yeah, it kind of makes sense. Though I would have thought there'd be at least some iPad that needed a refresh, but I guess not. All right. Anyway, so thank you everyone for coming by, hanging out, being part of the stream, either gaming, watching, playing, whatever. Maybe just having me on as background noise while you play your own game. I don't know. Also, welcome to the new subscribers. Looks like 5 new people joined the channel during this stream. But yeah, so with that, I'm done for tonight. I will be back on tomorrow night. Same Cody time, same Cody channel. You get the idea. Huge thanks, of course, to David, Carson, Austin, Diablo, and Curvy Mermaid for being contributors to the channel. If you'd like to contribute to the channel, there are links down below to Cash App, Streamlabs, and Patreon. And believe me, it really helps keep this channel going when there's something coming in from it. Anyway, with that, I hope you all have an excellent rest of the night. I hope to see you all tomorrow night. And, well, you know the routine. Good. Oh, actually, I need to before. There we go. Find the right card. With that, good night, everybody.